Welcome to our demo video for the Mobile Fact and Concept textbook system. After a short sequence of preliminaries, the student can enter the practice for the selected chapter. The guiding principle of MoFaCTS is that students need practice, and the experience for students is all about practice in the context of the text. The system provides adaptive testing and space practice guided by a statistical model of human learning. Testing has been shown to have strong benefits for long-term meaningful learning in educational and cognitive psychology research. Spaced practice has shown similar consistent benefit for long-term learning. As you can see, the system provides hints at the beginning of practice before students have shown their familiarity and aptitude with the content being presented. The adaptivity of the system withdraws the hints as the student establishes a record of success. Repetition of spaced tests may be particularly important in domains such as anatomy and physiology, where there are lots of factual building blocks for the knowledge. The newest part of the system is the dialogue for incorrect answers. Over the just starting second year of this development project, intensive improvement is planned for the dialogue system. This system addresses a problematic weakness in the prior MoFaCTS, which was that students were not scaffolded to understand their errors. This assumption that feedback would be understood was not true for many students, we expect, and the new system will scaffold this initial learning. We believe this conceptual basis for learning will boost the ability to retain and apply the practice materials, enhancing the entire system. The system allows for a number of administrative and teacher functions. One of these is content creation, which is a challenge for any adaptive learning system. Text-based cloze item practice can be created by analyzing the text for keywords central to the meaning and discourse by placing it into a simple interface in the system and pressing submit. Text-based cloze practice enhances prior knowledge by strengthening memory for the text. Cloze instruction has similarities to both traditional flashcard instruction that pairs a word with its definition, as well as richer vocabulary instruction that focuses on the contextual usage of a word. Cloze practice is by nature constructive because it requires a student to retrieve the correct word or phrase to complete the sentence. As you can see, it only takes a few minutes to create an entire system ready for practice. Our Cloze Creation tool will enable teachers to generalize the system quickly to new domains with large amounts of factual content, for example, history or chemistry. Practice is immediately available after creation. The MoFaCTS system includes an optimal practice sequence engine. This engine has a statistical model that is used to make performance predictions that guide the decision of what item is best to select next. The model is also used to infer the optimal percent correct for learning cloze for the domain and population, and we are finding 70% is almost exactly optimal in our current context in anatomy and physiology. The engine is used to target all practice at the 70% level of difficulty in our current project. You're looking at my student progress report after about 130 cloze items in the current system, which shows various statistics. This graph shows how the average performance is maintained very near this optimum due to the adaptive sequence decisions and the introduction of new items as old items are learned. Students can track their performance with the aggregate measures or look at estimates of current knowledge at the item level.